Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a home insurance plan with Farmers easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Farmers Insurance website. Start by locating the home insurance section. Choose the type of home you want to insure. Fill in the required details about your home. Include information like the year built, square footage, and its total value. Select any additional coverages you might need. Consider options such as personal property, liability, or additional living expenses. Decide on your deductible amount. A higher deductible usually means lower monthly premiums. Review the coverage limits provided. Make adjustments as needed to fit your budget. Once you are satisfied, proceed to get a quote. Enter your contact information so that Farmers can reach you. Review the quote carefully for accuracy. If everything looks good, you can proceed to purchase your insurance. Confirm the payment details and finalize your plan. Download or print your policy for your records. That's it. You now have a home insurance plan with Farmers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.